Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the banana weight loss drops review, and off the bat I will tell you this is already a scam because as you can see it's just a banana drop formula. It's a dietary supplement, but this won't actually cause weight loss. It just claims to have weight loss, just like a lot of placebo products out there that I've reviewed in this channel. So as you can see, you can get this for 30 bucks, which is pretty expensive for this kind. And actually right here, when we go to the reviews, you will see a 1.5 rating and a 96% ratio of one-star reviews. So let's just focus on that. Don't buy, just might refund, deceptive, misleading advertisement, and an order was put through and my bank. And as you can see, just full of complaints that it's definitely a scam. So please remember, guys, when you want to lose your weight, you must accompany dietary supplement with proper exercise, proper diet, and a healthy lifestyle. So that is the main thing you should do alone. You don't even actually need the supplements. It just boosts your immune system and other things like that, because the real thing that will convert your fats into muscles is through exercise. That's it. I would just suggest creatine over this. It's just that simple, and then just work out. So please, the promise, as you can see right here, it's just really bad promises, and then so the level effort is very low, as you can see right here. And then there's a lot of claims in WebMD right here, but it doesn't actually work. So please try not to buy anything that just reduces weight, not even weight slimming tea products and other things like that, because those are just scams. And just please do exercise and you'll be okay. And there you go. This is the conclusion. And this is just fake. And please don't get scammed.